guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about channel memberships as well as channel support in general. So my channel memberships are $2.99 a month, and with that you get custom emojis that you can use during live chats and whatnot. And then I also have member-only videos, which are usually a more personal look into my life. They're more blog style. And also on a sporadic basis, I do member-only giveaways. My goal, though, is to be able to do more giveaways. Not just member-only giveaways, but more giveaways in general on the channel. But I would like to reach a point where I can do at least one members only giveaway a month. As far as other channel support, there are multiple ways that you can do that, which are all in the description box below. So if you guys really enjoy my content and you guys can, maybe you could do me a favor and check out, my channel channel memberships, or check out the options for channel support in general. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, I do have some goals where I'd like to be able to start doing more regular giveaways for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Stitch of the Week. I'm Adrian, and Kiwi is my Indian ringneck. If you're new to this series, I am going through this book stitch by stitch and showing you guys how to do each stitch as a tutorial. If you are interested in watching any of my other videos, I will leave a link to the playlist that all of these are under. It's called the Crochet Stitch Glossary on my channel. Kiwi's feeling pretty talkative today, and you guys might hear the goats outside. I believe the goats are getting fed right now, so they're pretty talkative as well. So today we are working on a stitch called the Pearl Eyelets. It is on page 18, number 25, so this is the stitch we'll be working on. Let's see if I can make this book stay or not. Probably not. It's not gonna stay. I am using my 5.5 millimeter Kiwi crochet hook. I'll link this as well as the book in the description box if you guys want to check out where you can get these, the book and the hook. Now, this particular hook was a custom design for me, so she won't have this one actually listed in her shop, but you can get one of these from her shop. She does do requests, so if you wanted to paint it a specific way, you can. You just have to message her and she'll talk with you. But they are hand sculpted. I love these hooks. I have a huge collection of them. And now y'all can hear my dogs too. Isn't that lovely? So I am just using some Lilies and Cream scrap yarn that I've been using for several weeks now. And to start off this stitch, you are going to go ahead and chain an odd number plus 1 for your turning chain. I'm going to redo mine because it has managed to twist in the time it's taken me to set the camera up. 1 second, I'm getting a phone call. I'm sorry guys. As I was saying, to start this stitch off, you are going to need to chain an odd stitch count plus 1. So I'm going to go with a I'm going to go with 13 plus 1, so a total of 14. And in the second chain from your hook, you're going to place a single crochet. And then you're going to chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, or the next chain, and then you're going to single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. So this stitch, the Pearl Eyelets, is actually very similar to last week's stitch. And you're going to do this all the way across, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain. And we're just going to be doing that all the way across. And you should end with a single crochet in your last stitch here. And see, now the dogs are barking because they're out there with the goats. So for row 2, we're going to chain up 1, and our starting chain does not count as a stitch. We're going to chain up 1, turn our work, and in the first 2 stitches we're going to place single crochets. And see, that says to place the graph says to place the second single crochet actually in the stitch. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and place a single crochet in the next stitch. If I can get it in there. And we're going to go ahead and chain 1, skip 1, and place a single crochet all the way across until we have only 2 stitches left. And you'll see the single crochets tend to, they will fall in the in your chain stitches. So this, once you get the first and the second row done, I think row 3 is probably going to be a little bit easier. At that point you'll be working into a chain space instead of in the stitch itself. So I've got 2 stitches left here, right? Let me see, 1, 2, I've got 3 stitches left. We're going to chain 1, skip 1, and in these last 2 stitches, you're going to put just single crochets. And I'm going to go ahead and count my stitches to make sure that I still have 13. So your turning chain is not supposed to count as a stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I still have 13 stitches. So we're going to go ahead and move on to row 3, and we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. In this row, it's going to be sort of a repeat of row 1. In this first stitch, we're going to place a single crochet, and then we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and then this time we're going to work into the chain space. And it's going to give us this little hole here. So we're going to chain 1, skip 1, place a single crochet into the next chain space. And we're going to do that all the way across. So this one is actually a 2-row repeat. So once you have rows 1 through 3 done, you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 till you have the size or the length or whatever you want to call it that you want. So that is what rows 1 through 3 look like. I am going to go and I'm going to work up a swatch, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. But you're just going to go ahead and repeat rows 1 through 3 for the length of your piece. Yeah, and in the meantime, I will work up a swatch and probably cook my dad up some dinner. So yeah, I will see you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, so here is my Pearl Eyelets swatch. I really like this stitch. It's another one that I would probably use for like a summer top. But this one, of course, if I were to make a summer top out of it, I'd need to wear maybe a tank top or a camisole underneath. Those holes are just a little bit too big for my comfort. You know, I'm on the chunkier side. I wouldn't want my big old chunky stomach to be sticking out there where everybody could see it. But I'd probably wear like maybe a spaghetti strap top underneath, you know, one that would match the colors of the top, something of that nature. For summer, or maybe even a bathing suit underneath. It would be good for a bikini cover or something, or just a bathing suit cover. But I do like it. It reminds me a little bit of the moss stitch. It's just got some larger holes, from what I can tell, but it's pretty nice. I like it actually quite a bit. But it does remind me of the moss stitch, where you kind of stagger your single crochets into the chain 1 spaces. But anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys come back next Friday to see what I've got next week for Stitch of the Week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!